Fair warning, before you start watching the video, just gonna let you know this is the first time I'm doing voiceovers over my video, and I don't actually know how to do that, and it's kind of awkward. I'm sorry. And also, like at the end of the video, I didn't show you, but usually I'll set my makeup. I'll set the freckles in, like with this thingy. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. It's the MAC setting spray thing. It's the coconut one because it smells good. Yeah. Okay, bye. Enjoy the video. Hi everyone. So today I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my freckles because my friends have asked me about it before, so I just decided to make a video. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna watch it, but yeah, here it is. So right now I'm just applying chopstick to my lips because it's kind of chapped, but it's whatever, you know. And now I'm applying lip tint. Okay, so basically my makeup is done except for the freckles and my lips, so that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, I just do my, like right now I'm only wearing like my basic makeup look thing. Like I'm not really wearing much. And yeah, so to start off, we can take Q-tips, those with like the pointed edges. Those help create like small freckle shapes, and we'll use round butts too. And I'm using the cute AF palette by Colourpop. I like the tones. It's like reddish, so it's like I'm using the reddish brown and the light brown color. And I'm gently tapping the Q-tip on the eyeshadow so I don't damage my eyeshadow. And the whole process is pretty simple. You just take the Q-tip and you just dab it all over the area you want the freckles to be. I just keep going over and over with it. So this is like the first layer. So it's pretty dark, but don't worry. We're gonna use the brush to lighten it later. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, so I'm just going and going and going. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. Yeah, so this is the brush, just my normal powder brush, and I'm just sweeping away the super dark looking freckles because it looks super unnatural. That's what I feel. And I'm using my finger to smudge some of it on my nose area. So now I'm going over again with the same two colors. So you just alternate between two colors. And you just keep going until you feel like you're satisfied with it. Yeah. I'm going and going and going. Yeah, so I'm filming this video on Valentines, and I have nothing to do, so I just decided to film a tutorial on how to do freckles, cause why not? I think I'm pretty good at it. I hope. I mean, this is my way of doing it. Some people do it differently. Some people use like eyeliner. I don't really like that cause it looks a little bit like fake. Okay, so right now I'm using the rounded part, the bigger part of the what's that? Yeah, the thingy, and I'm taking a light color only cause I don't want to make the dark color too large on my face. You know, it looks too hideous. Yeah, here's a close up of just me dabbing with the light color. You can't really tell it on camera, but when you make it look more natural. Like there's a tone there, you know, and there's like sizes. It's everything doesn't look the same compared to using like an eyebrow pencil and an eyeliner, cause it just makes it look super flat and 2D looking. And yeah, so this is the halfway mark, and I basically just do the same thing over and over again for a bit until I'm satisfied with it. As I said, just do it until you feel like you're comfortable with it. Some days I do like all the way up to my brows, and some days I do like just the nose area. And sometimes I do it really dark, and some days I do it like super light. But today I decided that this is fine. Yeah. So I kind of got carried away and put eyeshadows on my eye, cause I don't know. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. And I didn't use a brush, cause I'm kind of lazy to get it. So my fingers work, I guess. Yeah. Mhm. Yes. I don't know why I keep doing that with my eye. That's strange. So this is like the finished look of the eye, of the freckles, the fox freckle, fox. I don't know how to pronounce that word. That's on my face, and this is me dancing to like music. You can't hear it, but yeah. Okay, so usually after sweeping away the freckles a few times, my highlight gets sipped away too. So I'm just touching up on that. I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm putting on my nose, on my cheeks, on my cheekbones. I mean, my cupid bow, my chin, and my brows. So that's about it for my video on how to do fake freckles. This is like my first voiceover, so I hope you enjoy it. I'll link my Instagram down below, and yeah, thanks, bye.